So my Lock the box has finally arrived. I'm so excited. It's been like 10 days since I had put my order. So let's see how many books are there in this box and what are the conditions of the books. So I'll let you know. Let's cut it. So I've got the scissors. Now let's open the box. It took so long to arrive. I've called them so many times. Oh, I can see so many books in here. Not me struggling to open the box. Packaged it so much. My god, I can't believe so many books. Some are in hardcover. I didn't think it would be in hardcover. So let's see. Okay. So I've got Aragon by Christopher Paolini. Yeah, it's a used book. I can see that it's used. It's got like spine is not that good, but yeah, still for 130 rupees, it's good. Plus, I wanted to read Aragon from so long, and I've got Eldest again by Christopher Paolini. The quality is not that nice of this book, but the spine is good. See, and it's readable, so of course that's good. And they sent me hardcover Inheritance by Christopher Paolini. Hardcover. I thought it was going to be paperback. I didn't know it was going to be a hardcover, and it's in perfect condition. Almost perfect condition. See, some tears are there in the pages, but that's still, it's a hardcover. Oh. So it's green inside. Inheritance. Wow, it's in good condition. I think I missed one book in the series. I don't know. I think Brightburn or something like that. I'll buy it later on Amazon. So the next book is Golden Sun. I think this is a fake one because I don't know if you can make out, but it looks fake. I mean, the color is off, the black color is off, but still it's in good condition and the spine is good. So yeah. Plus that book is like expensive on Amazon. Oh, I have Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens. I've been wanting to read Oliver Twist from so long, and this is a good condition. This is in perfect condition. The pages are not even yellow compared to the other books. And I have some bookmarks. So I have a Harry Potter bookmark. I have a Batman bookmark. I have हम अंग्रेजी के ज़माने के jailer. I don't know what that means, but okay. I have Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. It's in good condition. This book is in perfect condition. Sense and Sensibility by Jane Austen. Wow. The Monsters of Men by Patrick Ness. I think this is the second or the book 3 in the Chaos Walking series. I will buy the rest of the books, but I've been wanting to read the Chaos Walking series from so long, and I saw this and I was like, yeah, now is the time to buy it. Good condition, but the spine is decked up. See, but it's in good condition. Like, I like it. The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. So, yeah, this is also in a good condition. I thought it would be a bit more thick, but it's a very small book. So yeah. Then I have more bookmarks, a lot more. I have a Lord of the Rings bookmark, a Life of Pi bookmark, another Lord of the Rings bookmark. I have an Iron Man bookmark, which I love, and another Batman bookmark. I don't like Batman that much, but I'll give it to someone else. Now we have Game of Thrones Book 3, A Storm of Swords, Part 1, Steel and Snow. Thick book. Perfect condition again. This is actually in perfect condition. It's new. So that's good. Then I have Feast of Crows by J.R.R. Martin. Again, this is in perfect condition. The spine is a bit decked up, if you can see, but rather it's in good condition. It's a huge book, 1000 pages. Then I have Mansfield Park by Jane Austen. This is not the cover which I asked for, but it's okay. It's an okay cover, but I just want to read the book. So Mansfield Park by Jane Austen. Now I have Emma by J. Austen. Perfect condition again. So yeah. And then I have A Dance with Dragon Part 2, After the Flesh, again by George R.R. Martin. This book is in perfect condition. Yeah, this book is in perfect condition. And that's it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll show you all of the books now. So these are all the books. There are many. I got 13 books for 1799, which is an amazing price because it came down to 130 rupees per book, and I got some amazing books. I am very happy. I'll add to my collection. Okay, so see you later. Bye. So many books.